everyone, my name is Edina and I'm from SMK Sultan Idrisa II. Today, I want to share my thought on the novel Will You Love Me by Nur Hafsah Ahmed, a heartfelt novel that really touched me. It is a story about returning home, healing emotionally, and learning how to love, not just someone else, but yourself too. If you are curious, stick around for the review. This novel revolves the gentle writing style and easy to follow. This is because the writer doesn't rely on dramatic twists and her storytelling is more emotional and internal. Each chapter starts with a Rumi quote which I found it really enchanting. It adds this layer of quiet wisdom and sets the mood. The story starts with Dr. Nisa, a successful cardiologist working in Liverpool. Despite her successful career, she feels so emotionally disconnected and out of place. And so, she decided to return to home, which is Malaysia, hoping to find peace. Back home, she ran into someone from her past. This unexpected reconnection becomes the core of the story. Through quiet moments, small gestures, and honest conversation, they slowly find healing. But this novel isn't just about romance, it is spiritual and emotional journey, one where faith plays a major guiding the characters toward inner peace and acceptance. One scene I really loved was when Nisa quietly reflects on her loneliness during her time in Liverpool. It was written so honestly and not overdramatic, but you can feel how heavy that silence is. I think many people can relate to that kind of quiet sadness. I also appreciate that the spiritual elements in this book. The way faith is portrayed, especially how Nisa started to reconnect with it, is done with so much sincerity. It never felt forced, just natural. The romance itself is subtle. It is not about grand gesture, but respect, understanding, and emotional maturity. Honestly, this kind of love feels more real to me than the typical love and the first sight dramas. I won't lie to you, but one thing I struggled about was the pacing in the middle. There was a few chapters that feel a bit repetitive, especially when the characters are just reflecting not much happening. Also, I would love to see more development in the mid-lead characters. He is kind and sportive, but I think his personal growth could have been explored more deeply. There were moments where I want to hear about his thought, not just Nisa's. Still, these are small things in an otherwise thoughtful and healing story. Overall, Will You Love Me is quite introspective novel that stay with you. It talks about returning home, not just physically, but emotionally and mentally spiritual too. It reminds us that healing doesn't happen overnight, and that faith and love are both journeys. Therefore, deeply down in my heart, I'm truly recommending this book to anyone looking for something meaningful, especially if you enjoy a slow burn character story and spiritual reflection. With that, it brings us to the end of the review. Whether it helped you spark new ideas or helped you see you think differently, I hope it left you thinking. Thank you for joining me on this deep